Alright, everybody out there in YouTube land. This is a 1963 Gibson Falcon. It's a GA19 RVT. It's in pretty good condition. A couple of the knobs were missing. I just put some knobs that I had on there. It's got the original handle. It's got the original speaker. I'm pretty sure it's 6 V6s, 12 EAU 7s for the preamp. Somebody had a 20 amp fuse in there. It's supposed to be a 1 amp. I don't know why they would do that, but I bought it used. I took it all apart, put new capacitors in it, took out the tone sucker. It's a pretty good amp. It sounds pretty good. We'll do a little demonstration. Just to show you what it sounds like. Let's hit a couple notes. It's got the reverb with a reverb tank, tremolo. I don't really use either one. I mean, I use a little bit of reverb. It's a pretty good sounding amp. If you have any questions or comments, leave them. Thanks.